This is number 66, problem solving. And as I read the problem, I'm going to write some stuff down. The ratio, which makes me think fraction, of the number of second graders, I'm going to denote that as an S. So second graders to the number of fourth graders, F, is, it's an equal sign, 8 to 5. And the ratio of the number of first graders, well, I've already used F, so I'm going to use R for first. First graders to the number of second graders is 3 to 4. If the ratio of the number of third graders, third graders, which is T, to the number of fourth graders, which is F, is 3 to 2. All right, SF 8, 5, okay, I'm double checking here. All right, I've got that right. Now, what am I trying to find? What is the ratio of number of first graders, which is an R? I'm trying to find R over third, which is T. So, let's figure out what R over T is. R over T. All right, well, let's figure, where's R? R is, let's take this equation and solve for R. That would be 4R equals 3S. So R equals 3S over 4. So that's 3S over 4 all over. Now what is T? T's in this bottom equation, and T is 2T equal 3F. By the way, I'm cross multiplying. That's what I'm doing. So that means T is 3F over 2. 3F over 2. Now that's a complex fraction. You've got a denominator of 4, it's called a secondary denominator, and a denominator of 2. So between a 4 and 2, the smallest number that a 4 and 2 will go into is 4. So I'm going to multiply the top by 4 and the bottom by 4. It's multiplication. So when you multiply the top by 4, those 4's cancel, and you're left with 3S over, and then 2 will go into 4 twice, that's 6F. That looks a little bit better, doesn't it? But there's a problem. Because if you look at your answers, they're all numbers. So what I need to do is substitute in something for S or F. Let's take this top equation, and I'm going to draw a line down here where you can see what I'm doing. And let's just solve for S. So 5S equals 8F. Doesn't matter which one you solve for. So S equals 8F over 5. So for S, I'm going to substitute in 8F over 5. So that's 3 times 8F over 5. In the bottom you got 6F. And now let's multiply top and bottom by 5 once again to get rid of that complex fraction. So those 5's cancel, and you're left with 24F over 6F. And look, 3 makes 24. I got a 6 in the bottom. Oh, I forgot to multiply my 6 by 30. Remember, I multiplied the top by 5, but I got to multiply the 5 times that 6. So that gives me 30. F. The F's cancel, and 4, you see 6 will go to both of those. 6 will go to 24 4 times. 6 will go into 30 5 times. So your answer is 425, which is E.